Okay, just came back from ride. This is the same day. I'm gonna act as if this is the next day. Anyways, what's up guys? कैसे हो? Hope everyone is doing great. As a vlogger, we have to do all these things because ज़्यादा time नहीं है. I did not tell you where are we going, right? I'm not going to tell you till we actually do it because I'm not sure about this trip. It is going to be at least 700-800 kilometers from here, but like I told you, I'm not sure about the trip. So when I start my ride, then I'll keep updating on Instagram. So in case you're not following me on Instagram, this is my Instagram handle. You can follow me there and get all the updates. Anyways, today is going to be quick preparation vlog. I'm going to start wearing my new boots. Actually not new, I used this before twice or thrice for short 100-kilometer rides. I've never spoken about those shoes because I wanted to test them out properly and then talk about it. In case I feel these are the right boots for you, then I'll tell you and give you a good review, rating and all that. And you can also purchase it. For now, let's do a quick unboxing, nothing much. It's already open because like I told you, it's already used. The previous Orazo boots were shorter than this, maybe it was still here, but this one is much longer, so it gives you protection on the shin as well. This is the shin area, and as usual it's got nice metal toe, and don't take it lightly. Metal toe is like proper solid hardcore metal. It's got a very tough material here, and the best part about these boots are it's very flexible and it is the most comfortable riding boot I've ever worn in my life. Apart from that, it's got a very thick sole, very rigid, and it is water resistant. It's not 100% waterproof, and the way it fits around my leg, it's like perfect. And one more good thing is, because these are like long boots, thing is water doesn't get inside easily. Water usually splashes till here because you're gonna put your riding pant till here. For now, let me keep it ready because my ride is gonna come soon in another 2 to 3 days or 4 days or 5 days. I don't know, yaar. It all depends on the weather. Right now, weather is super amazing. As of now, it is clear skies in Hyderabad. We are going to a location where it might rain. Not sure about that because abhi to September hai. There is definitely a huge possibility of rain. I'll be taking only the top box for this ride. I think it's a 4-night, 5 days ride max. For now, more importantly, I don't have a horn on my bike. While coming back from the ride, I thought I'll do it, but then I was too lazy to go. I was sleepy because I got up at literally 6 a.m. in the morning. So I thought I'll get a horn from a local shop and fix it. For now, I'll get the job done. And more importantly, today, without cleaning my bike, I can't go. You must have seen in the last vlog how my bike's condition is. So let me do that first.
अरे निद्रा वస్తుంది పడుకుంటున్నాడు మమ్మ సారీగామా చే సారీగామా పాదానిసా
Naisha कितनी बड़ी है? Naisha कितनी बड़ी है?
कितनी बड़ी है नहीं कितनी बड़ी है
Naisha कितनी बड़ी है? Tang है tang.
show your tongue good
Hello. It's like horrible noise outside. As you guys know, I just came back from the ride, parked the bike here. Let me go get all the ingredients to wash your bike. Nothing like this is recommended and all that, but this is what I use both for my car and the bike. It's called Formula One Wash and Wax, but there are definitely better products than these. For now I have this. Little bit of water, I think that should be enough. 2 caps of this liquid. First thing to do if you have an Apple Watch is to remove it, because in case while cleaning if you hit something, then you'll get a huge bill which you don't want. Chalo, I'll be cleaning my bike and after that even the car. Oh shit, it is like really sunny here. Should I put it in a shade? I need to remove all these cars and do that. Otherwise, maybe under that would work. And this noise, na, it's eating my head. Okay, done with the washing. I did not do any deep cleaning and all that. As you can see, there's a lot of mitti inside. That's okay because it's all monsoon. Even if I do a proper deep clean, that's not going to stay because once I take out in my gully, the other construction, a lot of slush and all that, so it doesn't make real sense. Anyway, good news, I found the problem to my horn. Basically, you see this wire is broken. That is the issue. You not sleep? You not sleep? Right now time is 4:30 p.m. She should sleep now, but she's not sleeping. And not letting me work, she's not letting my wife work. Donga. Donga. What are you smiling at? So oh, by the way. You know what is she saying? Flower. Nacho, what is that? Flower. Say it. What is it? Flower. New word. First word actually. Actually, there's a flower outside. Huh? Flower. When I show the actual flower, she'll say it properly. Nacho, what is this? What is this? Huh? Flower. So yes, I'm done with cleaning my bike. I've also cleaned my car as well. Basically, we want to get the COVID test done before leaving and entering another state, because in case we're tested positive, then we don't want to go to another state and spread it, right? So let's be responsible. Actually, I did not tell you who all are going, right? It's only me and Charan, both of us riding to, I'll tell you later. And in between, we don't want to stop much. We'll be carrying our own food, and as you guys know, I have my own tiffin box. For now, one tip I would like to give you as a rider. From my experience, I can tell you one thing about riding, alright? If you're preparing yourself to ride, I would tell you, start packing at least 2 to 3 days, no, actually at least 1 week before. Take out your luggage bag or your panniers if you have, or a top box, just place it in your room. Whenever you remember what to put, just throw your stuff into it. That is one tip. And try to get maximum amount of sleep just before you ride. In case you have to ride like 5 a.m. in the morning, try to sleep at least by 9 o'clock in the night, which will not happen because all of us are not used to sleeping like that. In case of anxiety, in case you're someone like me and you have that ride anxiety, I would suggest, if you have a fixed time like 5 a.m. to leave and you slept at 3 a.m., I would not risk, alright? Do not risk. It's okay, start late and reach your destination safely instead of getting just 2 hours of sleep and leaving at 5 o'clock. Let me go and get my top box. I don't even know where is it. That's my right pannier. My left pannier is down. I already showed you that. Where is my top box? Yeah. Okay, my top box is down. If I go, she will be alone here and I don't know what all she'll pull out. For now, I'll do one thing. I'll set all my riding gear. This my climb jacket. My pants are also here, I guess. Oh yes, perfect. Really love my riding gear. The best on the planet, especially if you're an adventure tourer, or generally if you have a good budget. I think blindly go for climb. If you can get a proper mesh jacket and a mesh pant, that would be much better in climb. I have a Gore-Tex which is very useful when it rains and all that. Right now monsoon here, so this works, but otherwise I wouldn't suggest it because of the heat. It's gonna be like boiling hot inside, especially summer mein to forget it. You can never wear this in summer. And look at Naisha, what did she do? Naisha, what is this? All this is my D3 armor which comes with this climb gear. Let me place, oh very good. Let me place all this back in the jacket and the pants. Naisha, give me now. Give me. Catch. Thank you. Oh, there are more. Oh, that's it. Thank you. Good. Yeah, you clap for yourself. Sit. You also sit. Nacho, come. You also sit. We'll fix the armor in the jacket. Yeah. Thank you. Come, let's walk. Can you help Papa fix his riding gear? Can you? There's some more time for that. And it's so nice whenever I get ready for a ride, whenever I prep for a ride, that feeling is really amazing. No. Okay, when I say climb is like pretty expensive, it is like damn expensive, not pretty expensive, it's like that expensive. The jacket might cost you, this will set you back by I think 56 to 60,000 rupees. The pants will cost you somewhere around 45 to 50,000 rupees. I'll try to put a link in the description. You want it? I'll put the link in the description in case you're interested to buy it. You're actually spending not just for the jacket but for your life. So I think it is worth it. Naishu, come here. Come here and say hi. Say hi now. Say hi. Okay, sit. You started vlogging already? Good. Wait, Nacho. Give me another elbow armor. Not that, the other one. This. Oh yeah. Nicely she's helping me. Actually she's helping me. She's pakka become a vlogger already. Camera ko dekhte hi. And she knows that this is the main camera I vlog with. Thank you. That later. Wait. Where? What are you laughing? I don't remember where did I throw it. Yeah, I removed all that armor because I wanted to wash it. Boots? Not now. Thank you. Look at it, it's as tall as you. Come. Now she's bored and she wants her mom. You know what? Kids can stay with their dads only for maybe half an hour or 45 minutes. After that, mama, mama, mama. Come, let's go. See, mama is working. Now I need to find my top box. My pannier is being used like this.
Yeah.
Oh yes, I found my top box. The top box is coming literally after 6 months. Pre-lockdown era. When we went to, what is that place? Munnar. Oh, by the way, here are my older boots. That's our favorite place. Nice to tiger. Papa's bike. Quickly I realized one more thing. Not only my bike and my car needs washing, but even the top box. It's horrible. Let me show it to you. This looks horrible with oil and all the mitti from all over India. Yes, from Ladakh. Literally from Ladakh till now, I did not clean it. This is the bottom side of the top box. Mud / dirt, stones, everything possible. I seriously don't understand one thing about the Spaniards, the top box, especially for brands like Triumph, BMW or Ducati. The top box, flight. I'm vlogging na, flight pakka jana. Top box for the Triumph costs you somewhere around 45,000 rupees. No, 38,000 rupees. Panniers, both of them cost you somewhere around 75 to 80,000 rupees. And then you need to put the aluminium plate. Uske baad you need to put pannier frames. I think altogether costs you somewhere around 1.4 to 1.5 lakhs plus fitting charges, all that 1.6 lakhs. Insane, right? I don't understand why. Metal dabbas. I want to do that balloon. Huh?
No.
Okay.
सब ऐसे ही सीखते पहले I used to make Sri Lanka.
Why is the whole thing moving?
Because that's not how you make it. You're supposed to put all the pressure इधर इसके ऊपर.
Actually, I have to learn because every time I'm dependent on these people for rotis, and this is very important for my diet.
तू जा रे तू unboxing ही कर.
I-
तू unboxing कर.
See, I want to learn. She's not teaching me.
It's not that because you're hungry. I'm concerned. You eat fast. Next time I'll teach you.
Oh, she does it really well. Professional.
I'm not like a professional.
See? So there is my daba ka style roti. Now Pooja wants me to make her cockroach.
Want to make a cockroach?
No, there's a cockroach.
Please.
She wants me to make her Maggie.
First take water.
First take water and put it in. This is one. It's nice. I have to learn because I might also need to prepare Maggie if I'm stuck outside somewhere. Yeah, this is very handy when you go to Ladakh and all those places. Especially times like COVID when you're traveling, you need to know how to make all this. You just need hot water, but huh? Once again, moment of truth. पानी है.
No. मेरा पानी पानी है.
It's hot.
No, it's too soupy. इसको घुमा फिर से.
घुमाना. घुमाया. Hopefully it should be fine this time. You need to give me rating, okay?
My turn. Yes, I agree.
Rating Rani. She is working overtime. What is this? 7 hour time.
Excuse me?
7 o'clock now.
It's not overtime because of
Rating Rani. Tell me, how is it?
rating Rani. Not bad. Not great. I'll give it like 6.5. Next time we'll do.
That is for the effort only. Because taste, what can I do? Whatever it is there, the masala, you'll get that.